The Space Godzilla is one of my favorite moves because it's going to get you as high in the air in a hole as any other move. It's also the basis for many other fun moves that you're going to learn later on in the advanced playboating video. It's basically an air loop, but you're going to do a half a twist once you're way up into the air and slice the stern through rather than bring it through flat. Practicing this move is going to be really fun, and the stern's going to come through even easier than an air loop.
The Space Godzilla is nothing other than a variation of the front loop. It's actually easier, like Steven said, than the front loop, but at the same time, it's a super fun way to add a little variety to your front flips. The key to making a Space Godzilla work, or turning a front loop into a Space Godzilla, when you go to throw your body down, instead of throwing your paddle and body straight down with your blades perpendicular to your boat, you're going to throw your paddle off to one side, essentially twisting the boat, causing your boat to rotate and twist on end. That is all that's needed to turn a front loop into a Space Godzilla. Now, in order to make the rotation go quicker, you can actually do a stern initiation stroke in the air to pull the stern through, and also that stern initiation stroke will help you land in a front surf.